check this out, everybody. This is the HOTEEL canopy setup. I have been using this for around about, you know, a month now, really kind of like seeing how it holds up. And this thing has been through some storms. I've had some rain move through, and check this thing out. This is where I've been kind of like doing a little barbecuing and kind of chilling out in the afternoon. I'm out here in the yard, and let me just kind of like go over how this thing sets up, because the setup is really easy. Number one, it comes in this bag right here. So you're going to get this like bag right here, and inside the bag is going to be some strings. I did not need the strings. You're going to have a set of instructions. And on the instructions, basically how you're going to set this thing up, you have this entire canopy. So you have the frame here, and to set the frame up, you're going to get at each end of the frame, you're going to pull it apart and pull it out, and then you're going to lift and use these buttons right here and slide these buttons up. Yeah, you got 3 buttons here, and then it ties off right here. You're going to tie that off, but the thing is, you're going to get in the center, push up in the center, and I did all of this by myself. You can see me pushing up in the middle, and then once you get that top piece pushed in, it locks into place. And to put the canopy top on, check this out. This is actually all just Velcro. These walls are all Velcroed in. So number one, you're going to put the top on, and then Velcro it on right there, and then slide it out, and it tightens up. And then go back and put these are 4 individual panels. You have a back and 2 sides, because by the way, the sides have a window, and I will show you how the little window works. And what you're going to do, you're going to go down and tie off each individual one of these. Check this out. You untie it right here and untie this right here. By the way, do not tie these in a tight knot. And look at this, everybody. Look how I just did that. Now watch this, how I can grab that right there, zip that one up, come over here with this one, zip that one up, and check that out. That is a completely sealed off unit from the sun. This has reflective properties, so it doesn't like absorb the heat. And then you're going to put the stakes. They give you supplied stakes, and I staked it down right here, and it seemed to hold it really well. And then you're just going to run your Velcro and then run all of that along like that. And to open the windows, you really just kind of roll them up, and then see how you do that, and you can tie off the windows. So that's how you can open the windows. Really cool how that is. And then looking back here, you got the logo peaked up in the middle, so the rain will run off on this thing. But I have been nothing but impressed with this. I highly recommend one of these HOTEEL like canopy setups. You see how it opens up here? So this is great if you wanted to store something, if I wanted to put lawn equipment, or if I just kind of want to have like an event, say like a wedding or something in the backyard, or really at any type of event, you could have this thing working. You can hang like a lantern from here and stay out here pretty much all night long. I have my table set up, a couple of chairs, my Bluetooth speaker, really nice, extremely set up. This thing is, I have really seriously been using it for like a month straight, and I have not moved it just to see how it would hold up. And I have been nothing but impressed with these guys. The quality of this material feels really strong quality, and the frame, look at the ties. The frame does not feel cheap. It is a very strong frame, and the tear down's just as easy. It tears down and puts back in the bag right there. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the HOTEEL canopy. See you guys in the next video. Woo!